Continue question number 5 of exercise 5.1. Okay, so the first point is clear. X equal to 1. At x equal to 1, not continuous, and check at x equal to 0. First is clear. In question given x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So only find x equal to 0. So find LHL and RHL in this side. Okay, draw line. LHL, limit x tends to 0 negative function of x, this equal to limit x tends to 0 negative function is given, left hand given x, so this is also 0, and limit x tends to 0 positive function of x, and limit x tends to 0 positive, and line side is 5, and this is also 5. So then LHL is not equal to RHL, it is not continuous function f at x equal to 0, that is discontinuous f. Next, at x equal to 2, so find LHL, limit x tends to 2 negative function, this function lie negative function lie in first function, x tends to 2, x equal to 2. RHL, limit x tends to 2 positive power function of x, limit x tends to 2 positive, and this 5, this is also 5. Clear? It's also 5. LHL is not equal to RHL, it is not continuous function at x equal to 2. In both conditions, in all conditions, x equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, and x equal to 2, given function is not continuous, only discontinuous. Yeah. So next question number 6, function of x 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3 if x is less than equal to 2, x is greater than 2. Find the all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by. Only discontinuity function explained here. So already find this also 2x plus is polynomial, is continuous at point 2. X greater than 2, function of x equal to 2x plus 3 is defined, that is continuous function. And similarly, x is greater than 2, less than, and x is greater than 2 lie in this function minus 3, also continuous function. Why? This polynomial function, or you can say all polynomial function are continuous. Clear? Continuous function. So that is both individually are continuous function. And find in case x equal to 2, case 1, case 2, case 3. Okay, so x equal to 2, so LHL, find RHL. Limit x tends to 2 negative function of x, limit x tends to 2 negative, function of x left hand limit lie in first function 2x plus 3. This is a less than less than में left hand limit, greater than में right hand limit. Clear? So this equal to, putting this value 2 into 2 plus 3, 4 3 7, and right hand limit x tends to 2 positive, function of x limit x tends to 2 positive power, and lie in this second 2x minus 3. So 2 into 2 minus 3, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. That is, left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Is not continuous function. That is discontinuous f at x equal to 2. Clear? X equal to 2 is discontinuous, but less than 2 and greater than 2 is continuous. So these continuous function r minus 2 continuous. Clear? So this find only the discontinuous. So discontinuous at x, that is your answer. Okay. Next question number 7. थोड़ा लेंथी टाइप क्वेश्चन है. इक्वल टू मॉडुलस ऑफ x प्लस 3 if x is less than equal to minus 3, minus 2x if minus 3 is less than x is less than 3, and the last 6x plus 2 if x is greater than 3. Important question. Okay. Modulus function is continuous function. Okay. So first case, function of x equal to modulus x plus 3. Modulus x plus 3. This is also continuous function. Clear? Continuous at x less than minus 3, because it is a function, continuous function, and this is also continuous function in 3, and this is also continuous function. This already is continuous, but find the discontinuity. So taking in this function less than equal to minus 3, less than equal to minus 3, the left hand limit lie in this left hand limit. This greater than, you can say x is greater than minus 3, x is less than 3. Clear? Less than 3, this condition, minus 3 is less than, x is less than, so means x is greater than or x is less than. Clear? So greater than this or minus 3, and this minus 3 same function, same value. So minus 3 less than lie in first function, minus 3 greater than in second function. So that is RHL lie in second function or less than in first function. So LHL equal to limit x tends to minus 3 bar minus function of x. This limit x tends to minus 3 bar lie in modulus x plus 3 is equal to modulus 3 plus 3. Modulus 3 equal to 3 plus 3 equal to 6. And RHL lie in second function. So limit x tends to minus 3 positive, function of x. Limit x tends to minus 3 positive bar, they lie in second function. This point clear? The greater than में RHL लागू और लेस देन कंडीशन में लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट लागू होती है. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद देन पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू इन RHL फंक्शन, minus 2 into minus 3 equal to minus minus plus 6, both are equal. So then LHL equal to RHL f is continuous for every point, every real point at x equal to minus 3. It is continuous. This is not discontinuous. And next function, but x is less than 3, x is greater than equal to 3. Okay, this condition. So in case first, second, limit x tends to 3 bar means LHL. Function of x, this equal to limit x tends to 3 bar. Function of x lie in second function, because x is less than 3, minus 3 per upper, but less than 3 lower. Minus 2x equal to minus 2 into 3 equal to minus 6. Taking RHL, limit x tends to 3 positive bar. Function of x, limit x tends to 3 positive, lie first, RHL lie in second, sorry third. 6x plus 2, 6 into 3 plus 2, 20. This is not, therefore LHL is not equal to RHL. It is discontinuous. Discontinuous f at x equal to 3. क्लियर? x इक्वल टू 3 पर क्या है, डिसकंटिन्यूअस है, और x इक्वल टू माइनस 3 पर क्या है, कंटिन्यूअस. तो राइट आंसर इज डिसकंटिन्यूटी. फाइंड क्या करना है, डिसकंटिन्यूअस. तो डिसकंटिन्यूअस एट x इक्वल टू 3. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Solve this type question. Question number 9, you can see 9. Function of x equal to x upon modulus of x if x is less than 0, minus 1 if x is greater than equal to 0. Clear? So these are function है continuous function. तो let function define के discontinuous, only find discontinuous. तो taking LHS at x equal to 0, तो LHL lie in first function, greater than equal to lie in RHL function. Clear? So function of x, limit x tends to 0 negative, function of x, this limit x tends to 0 negative, function less than lie in x upon modulus of x. This modulus of x lie in modulus this equal to plus x and minus x. Minus x is less than 0, or this condition x is greater than 0. Clear? This modulus x equal to mod x equal to x and minus x have two values. So positive x means x is greater than 0, or less than means minus x means less than 0. So this less than lie in less than, lower limit less than lie less than 0. Less than 0 means limit x tends to 0 negative x upon this minus x value. Clear? Negative, less than, minus x, or minus x less than modulus x equal to minus x, because x is less than 0. If modulus x equal to x, then x is greater than 0 in case of greater than condition. Minus 1 equal to minus 1. RHL, okay, RHL equal to limit x tends to 0 positive, function of x, limit x tends to 0 positive power, lie in second, this minus 1. This is also minus 1. Constant function is continuous function. Clear? So minus 1, this is continuous. LHL equal to RHL is continuous function, not discontinuous, not discontinuous. Okay, so this function will lie in 1, sorry 0. Other 0 is also discontinuous, that is रियल माइनस 0 पर क्या होगा, डिसकंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन, बट x इज इक्वल टू पर ही क्या होगा, कंटिन्यूअस, नॉट डिसकंटिन्यूअस। क्लियर, कंटिन्यूअस नॉट डिसकंटिन्यूअस, डिसकंटिन्यूअस वो क्या होगा, कंटिन्यूअस ही फंक्शन होगा, इज ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूअस। इसके सॉल्व इन द अदर पार्ट्स ऑल्सो, है ना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 to 13 are same question. So homework type question solve. If any doubt you can ask also. Okay. And question number 14. Next, this topic discuss the continuity of the function f where f is defined by f is defined by. So find that is continuous. Discuss, only discussion is continuous. The one function. So 14, function of x 3, 4, 5, if 0 is less than equal to x is less than 1, 1 is less than x is less than 3, 3 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 10. Okay. Continuity, find the continuity. X is 0 is less than equal to, means x is greater than 0. Okay, 0 and 1 and 3, 3 1 line, 1 1 line, and 10 is also there. At point 0, 0 is at point 0 is also continuous function. 0 3 4 5 are there, constant function, that is continuous function, that is you are also continuous function at every point of real. Clear? So that is case number 1, function of x equal to 3, x is greater than equal to, so x equal to 0, x equal to 0, the limit x tends to 0, function of x means limit x tends to 0 is 3 equal to 3, means every real number are continuous function. Clear? So 0 1 2 3 4 so 10. Okay, so therefore function of 4 sorry function of x equal to 4, function of x equal to 5 are continuous at every point of domain f. Clear? 1 2 3 और कंटिन्यूस, कैन से कि कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन होगा। एंड चेक दैट कि ये इस पर 0 1 है तो x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1, x इज लेस देन 1, इक्वल लेंथी मेथड हो जाएगा कि इसको हर पॉइंट पर हम कंटिन्यूस और डिसकंटिन्यूस वेरीफाई करें। ठीक है, तो आप इस वैल्यू को अपलोड करके देखते चले जाओ तो बहुत लेंथी हो जाए, ओनली चेक करना है कि कंटिन्यूस है या नहीं। तो दैट इज क्या है, 0 इज लेस देन 1 लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 एंड x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1, तो 1 and 1 and this line less than means LHL और this RHL, शॉर्ट पॉइंट वेरीफाई कर दो, इसमें कंटिन्यूस होता है तो कंटिन्यू, डिसकंटिन्यू डिसकंटिन्यू, एंड टेक 3 and 3 दिस चेक ऑल्सो दिस साइड कंटिन्यूस होगा या डिसकंटिन्यूस फंक्शन। ओके, तो केस बना लेने का। सो केस फर्स्ट सॉरी और केस 3 सेकेंड, फर्स्ट इज ऑल्सो क्लियर, ऑल आर कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन बट इंडिविजुअली, एंड लाई इन 1 and at 1 at x equal to 1, x equal to 1, at x equal to 1 तो LHL and RHL, find LHL and RHL, the limit x tends to 1 negative function of x, limit x tends to 1 negative, this function 1 equal to lie in first function, this 3 equal to 3, and RHL limit x tends to 1 positive function of x, limit x tends to 1 positive, a positive at 1 lie in second, 4 equal to 4, that is LHL is not equal to RHL, it is not continuous f at x equal to 1. Clear? Individually are continuous function, individually continuous function they say, but mix LHL RHS or lie in the function, this is not continuous, means discontinuous. And case third, x equal to 3, x equal to 3, so lie in this x equal to 3. So x equal to 3, limit, left hand limit, x tends to 3 bar function of x, RHL limit x tends to 3 positive bar function of x, and this limit value putting function of at point 3 lower limit and 4 equal to 4, on this lie equal to 5, sorry, limit x tends to 3 positive 5 equal to 5, it is not continuous, not continuous f at x equal to 3. And check at 10 for 5 is also continuous function होगा. इंडिविजुअली हमने ऑलरेडी क्लियर किया है कि एस 3 और 4 ऑल रियल नंबर पर वो कैसा होगा, रियल कंटिन्यूस होंगे, बट इन दिस पॉइंट पर ये डिसकंटिन्यूस होगा. ओके, क्लियर? तो दिस इज आंसर इन चेक दिस टाइप केसेस. ओके, इज लेस देन 3 इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 10, and you can find also individually 3 and equal to 3 less than 10 is less than 10. Okay, so 10 or lie in 5, not other less than equal to. Okay? So less than equal to 10 is 5, 5 is continuous function. Clear? Next question number 17, 15 16 are same this type question, singleton type. Find the relationship between A and B, so that function, define function equal to ax plus 1 if x is less than 3, bx plus 3 if x is greater than 3, is continuous, is at x equal to 3. Clear? This question function is given ax plus 1 if x is less than equal to 3, bx plus 3 if x is greater than 3 is continuous. At 3 is already given at, so continuous function is given that this function is continuous, so find the value of a, means relation between a and b. So taking condition a continuous function, the LHS equal to RHL, so find LHL equal to RHL. So LHL limit x tends to 3 and function of x. Okay, and RHL limit x tends to 3 positive function of x. This may be the limit function of x lie in limit a x plus, sorry, limit x tends to 3 negative ax plus 1, and this equal to limit x tends to 3 positive lie in second function 3, putting this value 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3. Clear? So 3a 3b. Clear? So 3a minus 3b equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2, right? So 3 common, a minus b equal to 2, a minus b equal to 2 by 3, a minus b relation is clear. Answer. Next question number 18, important question. 17 18 board examination question type question. important question है 7 और 18 17 18. For what value of lambda the function is defined? What value of lambda? What value of lambda this function? Equal to lambda x square minus 2x. If x is less than 0, 4x plus 1 if x is greater than 0. Continuous at x equal to 0 and what about to x equal to 1. क्लियर? मीन्स क्या वैल्यू होगी लैम्बडा की जिस पर ये फंक्शन x इक्वल टू 0 कंटिन्यूस है? क्या वैल्यू होगी कि या ये 0 होगा या नहीं होगा, 1 0 होगा या नहीं होगा, 1 पर ये कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन है या नहीं ना. तो इस मीन्स कंटिन्यूस 0, तो चेक करेंगे केस नंबर 1, कंटिन्यूस एट x इक्वल टू 0. हम चेक कर लेते हैं 0 पर क्या वैल्यू होगी. ओके, सो टेकिंग LHS, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट ऑलरेडी फाइन. तो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इक्वल टू लिमिट x टेंस टू 0 बार फंक्शन ऑफ x, दिस इक्वल टू लिमिट x टेंस टू 0 बार. ओके, एंड taking LHS, this left hand limit, right hand limit lie in second function. So lambda x square minus 2x, this equal to lambda 0 minus 0, this is also 0 whole value. Clear? So next RHL, the no value of lambda means all function is 0, so this is also 0. Lambda, no value lambda, any value putting this value lambda, so that is 0. RHL, limit x tends to 0 function of x, so limit x tends to 0 positive, and y function 4x plus 1, this is 4 into 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Okay. So this is not equal to LHL is not equal to RHL. It is not continuous. But if continuous, तो no value of lambda. If x equal to 0, continuous function, that is given function have no value, that is no value of lambda, no value of lambda of given function at x equal to 0. क्लियर? तो लैम्डा ऑलरेडी 0 ही हो गया, तो ये तो 0 बन गया ना पूरा, तो लैम्डा कोई वैल्यू है ही नहीं, तो इसे नो वैल्यू लैम्डा. एंड चेक एंड केस नंबर सेकेंड, एट x इक्वल टू 1 पर कंटिन्यूस है या नहीं, ये जो चेक कर लो. LHL लिमिट x टेंस टू 1 बार फंक्शन ऑफ x, लिमिट x टेंस टू 1 बार, दिस वैल्यू लाई इन फर्स्ट फंक्शन, तो लैम्डा x स्क्वेयर माइनस 2x, दिस इज वैल्यू लैम्डा 1 स्क्वेयर माइनस 2 इंटू 1 मीन्स लैम्डा इंटू माइनस 1. ओके, माइनस लैम्डा एन RHL function of x equal to lie in second 4x plus 1. So this is equal to x tends to 1 positive function of x, limit x tends to 1 positive 4x plus 1. So 4 into 1 plus 1 means 5. It is not a continuous function. Okay, continuous is why have value if it is continuous at x equal to 1, then minus lambda equal to 5 means lambda equal to minus 5 have many value, more value. Okay, a real value, so this is a belongs to real, then lambda have real value. more value. You can say that is a more value of lambda. And this any value means -5 more value, sorry, -5 यानी one value, तो this is a have any real any value, कोई भी एक वैल्यू होगी, है ना, रियल वैल्यू, ठीक है। x इक्वल टू 1 पर ये कंटिन्यूस है तो दैट इज वैल्यू है, अदरवाइज 0 है तो उस पर नो वैल्यू। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, बोर्ड में कई बार आया ये और 70 दोनों ही क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है भाई, रिवाइज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, 19, 20, 21। 21 is साइन फंक्शन है, साइन फंक्शन इज ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन और अदर फंक्शन आर रेड, सो कैन सॉल्व, ओके। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर solve to question number 19 to 24. If any doubt you can ask, okay. Thank you.